we work.
Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Bazwan bin Abu Bakar. I will present about symptoms or aspect of the problem. Okay, first of all, performance appraisal is one of the important activities in resource management practice human. The organization will receive a direct impact that is negative if the performance appraisal system conducted is seen as an unorganized system, unfair and oppressive workers. And another findings of the implications, group of the performance evaluators did not have an adequate level of competence in the required areas related to the primary duties and responsibility for performance appraisal. Okay, the contemporary management sometimes views suggest that silos thinking mentality must be broken for employees to remain motivated and happy to come to work. And management efficiency can overcome the problem of loss of document as well as the cost of employees' negligence is a feature sought to achieve high productivity. Another one is we already hear about the KPI, performance based by personal or individual, but the use of performance based reward system in the public sector has often suffered difficulties in terms of fundings. Unlike private organizations that have flexibility in the number of resource allocated, but public organization face problem with fixed budget allocation. Sometimes the organization or the department does not have the enough fund to give the reward to the yearly reward to the staff. Finding of the random effect models show that the foreign direct investment variable is positive and significant in affect the level of labor productivity. So another implication due to the problem of productivity is health and psychosocial. The conditions such as emotional problems, stress, maybe the staff have their own personal sickness such as heart attack, cancer. Thus poor health is said to be largely due to one stressful situation faced by a person and affecting public sector productivity. The implication of job enrichment provide an opportunity to enable employees to be involved in the decision-making process and increase the level of control employees have over their job planning, execution and evaluation tasks.
Thank you, Bazwan. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia binti Roslan. I will explain the next slide, the root cause of the problems. Economic problems are the main factors of the public productivity.
The government
Face economic problem in terms of meeting the needs of the people where the need exceeded supply. This is due to lack of resources such as raw materials, expertise, manpower, and companies or supplier that can supply people's needs. Indirectly, this problem can cause the productivity of public sector services to be weak. Reluctance of taxpayer in paying the taxes to the government is a major factor in the country's economy not be able to grow as the government obtain money and allocation from taxes. So economic factors are also closely related to financial transactions and increasingly sophisticated trading. The second root is technological, and increasingly sophisticated technology is also a yardstick to determine the level of productivity of the country. Our country also had to import experts from abroad because technological network constraints make it difficult for us to compete. This problem is especially difficult